hard to pull.
All right, so this is a 20 what year?
2018.
2018
Yeah.
Volt, and
Yeah.
we're trying to replace the window because it got smashed.
Yeah.
So far you saw a YouTube video and you opened that.
Yeah, same one that you
And you
showed
opened
me.
that.
That, so 2, 3, and it has 1.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. I got all the screws.
Okay.
And the video stops right there. And I said, oh, this is what you do to remove the panel. I'm like, okay, so what's the next? And I know that, and I watched other YouTube, they try to pull it out. So I even went underneath. I could see the pins, the plastic pins. But some of them look kind of weird. Some of them, it seems like it's like kind of clamped up.
Oh.
And it seems like almost like you simply slide this way, but I don't think that's correct.
Okay.
And then I watching some generic. Oh, you know what? I'm not gonna pick this off. But I was having this
All right.
for like a whole week.
11624. Trying to figure out how to take this second generation Volt out, which isn't on YouTube.
Oh my God. I wish there were people who smash the people's car window to learn how to do it themselves. They don't know how difficult it is.
You know, that's what I say about people who steal cats.
What? Steal cats?
Yeah.
Why would people steal cats?
Like catalytic converters?
Who?
Catalytic converters.
Oh, cat. I mean, like an animal cat.
Because every time I have to replace a cat is a lot of work.
Oh,
I wish those people.
Yours?
Yeah, multiple people stole.
Yeah.
And then I'm always trying to replace a
It's
cat.
like, it's like they first of all, they let them go so easy, or they just charge them fines. Like, no, get those people.
All right.
Put the converter themselves.
So let's hold the camera.
Sure.
So normally it's recording. Normally I have a tool that goes in here and it separates it.
Mm-hmm.
But then I just bought this.
I bought those things. So do you think would they be useful?
All right.
Those are my own tools, so I was trying to use them, but.
All right. So hold that. We'll see if we can get this thing out.
You know, I should put on my different clothes too, so just see if I want to get dirty.
It's okay. Just stand there for a second.
Okay. Yeah, that's the only first step, and I know I had to remove like the track. Here, do you want it to go underneath? Yeah, I can. I was underneath the car. Here, I got the here. You want to use this? I do it all the time. Here,
Okay,
two
cool.
padding. Yeah, here.
Good idea.
Yeah, I did it yesterday. I was looking underneath. That's a light. Oh,
I don't think this is gonna be it though.
no.
I just want to know if there's any more screws underneath here. Would Volt make me take this whole thing off just to get this off? That's the question.
I would think that you take the whole panel off and then you just connect the electric wire.
But normally if you had a broken switch here, they'll just make it quickly. You just take this out and just replace that switch instead of taking the whole entire thing out.
Huh.
So that's the logic I'm trying to debate. Am I going to yank this harder to get this out? And hopefully there's no other screws inside here underneath this thing.
Well, according to that video, he said that those are the 4 screws. That 2 and then that 1.
Okay. So that's the case. And usually best to go up in a corner. So normally the idea is it hooks on, then it goes kunk with
That's
all
right.
these clips.
That's right. That's how I was removed my old Mercedes door too. That's exactly. Oh, he did it! Wow.
Okay. So then back here, there should be just a little cable that you disconnect.
That's right. That's right. Oh, that is a lot of force. Wow.
Keep on looking before we break something, because this is the first time. Alright, so this part is done. There's nothing more holding that.
Okay. What about the column support?
This thing has some kind of weird,
Yeah.
tricked out plastic here.
I was thinking about what about the column? This part, should that be removed first?
That could help.
Yeah, but I don't know how to. And look at this. That's stuck by this little green thing. I have no idea how to open this.
Maybe this is gonna stay.
Okay.
Is this 2 pieces or 1 here?
Oh.
Keep on going at it. Now we just go straight up.
Yep, you should.
Normally the other cars, this is a speaker here you just pick out.
Yeah. But in this case, the speaker's underneath.
Oh, okay. But sometimes they put tweeters here.
Oh, pleater.
Okay, so another light looking to make sure. Alright, everything is just regular clips. And so, we're moving forward. So just go straight up. Just one more look before we break something. Just to make sure. So there's your cable to do the latch. Up
And
here.
you should have like one cable and then, yeah.
Up here it's held on by some metal clips up there. And I think it is just going up now.
Yeah, I would have get somebody to do it, except 2 things. The person to do it, they insist on getting their own parts.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Okay, so you start from the rear. Oh, wow. Okay.
Alright, so we're out.
Here, I should put this thing so we can sit down here. You want me to maybe put this way? Yeah, that way you can sit down.
Alright, so let me borrow the video.
Okay.
So again, this is how you deal with a 18?
2018.
Second generation Volt. It's just like your regular Japanese car where you just held on by these clips here. And then you should just count how many you got right now.
Okay.
So starting from you. 9 clips. So when you go back in, make sure those 9 clips go back in.
That's right.
Because sometimes when you pull it
I
out,
have one more. I don't know what this thing does.
yeah, that's not a clip.
Okay.
So sometimes when you pull it out, those clips, they get stuck back on this side, and make sure you put it back in this panel. And then
Right.
since we're replacing glass, we're gonna have to take this bracket off. I think this is like 7 millimeters probably.
Yeah, I got that.
And then once this comes off, take the weather stripping off, and make sure you keep this really nice because you have to glue it back, or else you're gonna hear wind noise. It's like a moisture barrier. And then now we deal with the
I think
this.
should just connect.
So you hold it like this. So I guess I'm gonna press in this clip here,
That
pull
makes sense.
pull it. I'm gonna hold this side. That didn't help. So or I can go like this. No. So I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna pull back towards me. Now I got slack. I'm gonna run this cable over here, and then now it's like a bicycle. You just lift this up like that. And then if the car is really old, make sure you put some like white grease. Put it back here. Pull it out. And snap it back in. And when your car is really old, all these things are brittle brakes. Since it's 2018, everything is nice and malleable. That's done. Electrical is obvious. Nice and smooth. So the question is, can you take this out, this electrical thing out, without, so we are free, without actually dealing with taking that. All right. So this is part 1 of the bolt. Next part is taking this out and then a lot of vacuuming. And you probably have to open the door, close the door, slam it a few times, get all that glass underneath. And some of that glass might like run out of these little holes. So get yourself some cardboard down here and start ready, because it's kind of like going to the beach. You're never gonna get rid of the glass. Look, I even got some glass in my hand already.
God. So I'm gonna remove this, right? Do I need to? Oh,
yeah. You have to remove this. You got to remove this.
Yeah.
And there's a lot of glass. You're probably gonna take off this speaker, so you have more room to vacuum. And then you're gonna have to vacuum all that. Open, close, open, close. So it's gonna be glass everywhere.
Yeah.
All right. So this is part 1 of the vault. 12 minutes just to take off that panel when you don't know what to do the first time.